Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you or help you out how you can stream on YouTube with your phone. So first of all, make sure that you're logged into your YouTube channel, and after that we tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom. Then from here we scroll to live, and once we get there we can go live. Now let's do get started. And from now you will see that my camera is just standing right here. Let's see, if we tap on the pen just right here, we can see all the settings. So this live stream is public. I don't want it on public, I want it unlisted. So then I go back. For you guys, do it on public, but I don't want that people can see this stream. The audience, no, it's not made for kids, that's fine. Now we can go live together if you want that. We can add a description. But no, these settings are not necessary for now, so I do next. All right, next. Right now, if I tap on go live, we will go live. Now, we can change the thumbnail if you tap on the pen and then do take thumbnail. Now, small for the thumbnail. Let's go. This is the thumbnail. And right now, when the thumbnail got loaded, we can do go live. And after this, we can close it, but we are live now on YouTube. All right, if you want to stop this live stream, we tap on the cross left in the top, do end. And this was our 10-second stream. You can see all your stats in this screen just right here. And if you do done, we are back at the beginning. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.